EC2 in AWS works just like your laptop, with CPU, RAM, storage, and internet, but it lives in Amazon's data center and runs 24/7. Think of it this way. Buying a computer is like buying a house, but EC2 is like renting an apartment. You use it when you need it, and AWS handles the maintenance. Now that we know what EC2 is, the next question is, which EC2 should you rent? AWS offers hundreds of instance types, grouped into over 20 instance families. Each instance name has three parts: family, generation, and size. For example, T3.micro means the T family, third generation, and micro size. Need more CPU? Choose the compute-optimized family. Need more memory? Pick memory optimized. Building AI applications? Go with GPU instances. Just remember this simple formula. Family plus generation plus size equals your EC2 instance. Now, let's launch your first EC2 instance. First, sign into the AWS console and open the EC2 service. Click Launch Instance, then choose an operating system like Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, or Windows. Next, select an instance type, such as T3.micro for learning or a larger one for bigger projects. Then configure your storage, security group, and SSH key so you can log in safely. Finally, click Launch Instance. In just a few minutes, AWS creates your virtual computer, and you're ready to deploy your applications.